And hello, everybody. Welcome to my presentation. Today, I'm going to be talking about configuring Kafka Connector to process type data and handle errors. Who am I? My name is Emre Hizal. I'm a software engineer at Neo4j in the Connectors team. And it's been a little bit over 6 months now. And so far, I'm mostly focused on Kafka Connector side in the team during this time. And today's agenda, we are going to be talking about type data processing. And we are going to be looking into error handling in Kafka Connector, and we will have a quick demo about configuring error handling in a sync connector. First of all, what is type data? The definition is type data has a defined schema with specific data types for each field. Yeah, this might be integer, string, date, number, float, this kind of types. And as an example, user ID, integer, name, string, created at date. And why does it matter for us? First of all, data consistency, schema compatibility, and also we are aiming to reduce possible errors while processing the data with these aspects. And what are the ways to configure Kafka Connector for type data processing? And we are using Kafka Connect provided converters. These are Avro converter, JSON schema converter, protobuf converter, and JSON converter. And first three converters are schema-based converters, and they require schema registry URL. But JSON converter is a little bit different than the others. It has embedded schema in the payload and no need for schema registry for the JSON converter. And another important thing to mention about is payload mode configuration. It's a brand new feature that we introduced with 5.1.5 version of the connector. And it's not database version, Neo4j database version, it's connector version, just so you know. And it's only available for source connector, and it has extended and compact modes. And also sync connector is able to deserialize both modes. So if you want to talk about compact and extended modes, I have some examples here. First of all, compact mode, it's concise, easy to read, but it has some limitations. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the compact mode example. It's pretty simple JSON structure. And you can also see the corresponding version of what you see on the left-hand side, extended mode version here. It basically has fields, and for these fields, we have special struct, which has all supported types in Neo4j, and you can see the value in this specific type field. And this provides us schema consistency, and yeah, we are aiming with this, we are aiming not to break the schemas. And what are the compact mode limitations? First of all, property type changes. Compact mode does not support changes in property types. If a property type changes in Neo4j, for example, from integer to string, this is going to break the schema. And protobuf compatibility, compact mode is not supported with protobuf. It does not support serialization of temporal types like local date time. So error handling in Kafka Connector. We are using Kafka Connect's error handling features, and it's only supported by sync connector. Also with version 5.1, it's able to handle connectors' internal exceptions for each incoming message. Also, I put an example configuration here, and yeah, we have some important configuration properties. And first of all, errors tolerance. It has two options, none and all. None means fail fast. As soon as we get an error in the connector, yeah, it's gonna get into fail state and stop processing incoming messages. All is not failing. Connector keeps running after that and continue processing messages. And we also have errors log enabled. Errors log include messages. These are quite self-descriptive. It activates, these activate the error messages to log in the logs of Kafka Connect in the connectors log. And we also have Dead Letter Queue topic name configuration property. This is where we define our DLQ topic, which failing messages are going to be sent to this topic, and we also have context headers enabled configuration property, which adds some metadata about error to the message header. And also we have topic replication factor. This is depending on the production environment, but for this demo, I'm going to be keeping it as 1. And yeah, let's jump into the demo. So first of all, what I have here, I'm going to be creating a Docker compose YAML file to spin up the connectors environment, and I'm going to quickly go on the connectors documentation page. From quick start, I'm going to copy Docker compose YAML file here, save it, and then we also need connectors jar file. And for this, I need to create plugins folder, and then I'm gonna download the jar file. Yeah, brand new connector 515, and I'm gonna copy this into my plugins folder, and I think we are ready to spin up the environment. Let's see what's happening here. And also I wanted to see the logs if the connect instance is up and running. As you can see, Kafka Connect started, and yeah, it's up and running now. So we are ready to create our first connector. But I also want to open the Confluent platform page, localhost, and this is our cluster. Yeah, there is no connectors yet, so I'm gonna be creating one sync connector, demo JSON. I already have a configuration here. I'm gonna just copy paste it. And yeah, it's gonna be a sync connector with Cypher strategy. I'm gonna be using JSON converter for the demo purposes to keep it simple. And we will have a person topic, and we have a simple Cypher query here, and it's going to be creating person nodes with some properties. And error configuration is, error tolerance is going to be none at first try. And we also have error DLQ topic to see the failing messages. And also I want to see some metadata about the errors. So I'm going to be saving this file. And yeah, I think we can create it now. Yes, with this command, I'm creating the connector. Yes, we should be able to see the connector here. Yes, there it is, and it's up and running now. We can also see the topics here, error DLQ topic and person topic. And I also want to see the database UI. Just to show you, it's empty now, and I'm gonna run a successful scenario first, and we will see the data in the database. Oh. So it's completely empty now, and I'm gonna produce a message in the person topic, and it's gonna be successful message, name, yeah, produce the message, and we should see the message here as produced. And I'm expecting to see this node in my database. Yes, there it is with the properties. And yeah, this was the successful case. So let's produce a message which will fail in the person topic. Okay, let's say ID1. I'm gonna put name field, but I'm not gonna put surname field. Produce the message. Okay. We should be seeing this failing message in the error DLQ topic. Yes, as you can see, the value is here. This is the message value that we produced in the person topic, and we also have some headers about the error. And as you can see, we have the exception and all stack trace, and you can also see what is the exact error. Cannot merge the following node because of null property value. Yeah, this was what we intended actually. So I also want to show you what is the state of the connector. It's in the fail state because we configured it as error tolerance as none. So it's going to be in the fail state as expected. So I'm going to delete this connector and create another one with all error tolerance all. Yeah, I'm going to also clear these topics. Person topic, delete the topic. And yes, so I'm just going to change this error tolerance to all, save it, and create the connector again. So here we should be seeing the connector. Yes, there it is. It's up and running now. And yeah, we have the topics here. Let's produce a message. This time I'm going to be producing a failing message. Okay, let's say ID1 again. Name is going to be, okay, let's say Emre2, for instance. Produce. And yeah, we should see this message in the error DLQ topic. Yes, there it is. And we have headers here as well. Same error, cannot merge the following node because of null property value. And on the connect side, the connector is still up and running. So this was pretty much it for the demo. And next slide. And thanks so much for listening to me. I hope you liked it. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And this is my email address, by the way. And yeah, have a great notes and have a great day. Thanks so much.